Okay learner, this is your textbook class 4, page number 48. You can see that you have learned about fraction in class 3. Now color the correct fraction of shape. The fraction is given 2 by 6. Total parts 6. The parts which we contain are 2. So we have to color only 2 parts. In this way you can color all the other fractions. Next one is write the fraction of colored part of each shape. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part of this shape. So the total parts will be written as 6 as denominator and the color parts are 2. So the fraction will be 2 by 6. Now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total parts are 8. The colored parts which we have are 5. So the fraction will be 5 by 8. Similarly, you can solve the other questions. Next one is write to match the words. Numerator 5, so I have to write 5 as numerator and denominator as 7. Similarly, you have to write the other parts. Next, write less than, greater than or equal to. This is like fraction 7 and 7. 3 is less than 6. 5, less than 6. 5 and 8, 3 by 6. 8 and 6. This is unlike fraction. We have to make it as like fraction. How we can make it as like fraction? We have to multiply the denominator or take the LCM of the denominator and then multiply it with this fraction. So I have the fraction 5 by 8 and 3 by 6. I have to take the LCM of 8 and 6. So take the LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 will be written as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 will be written as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. I have to multiply the number denominator with the number which we get 24. 8 3s are 24. So 5 and 8 will be multiplied by 3. In this fraction 6 will be multiplied by 4 to get the same denominator. So I have the fraction will be 15 by 24 and 9 by 24. Which fraction is greater? 15 is greater than 9 by 24. So the symbol which will be placed here will be greater than. 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 6. Similarly, you can solve C and D. Write in ascending and descending order. You have learned in lecture. In video, I have told you that how to order the like fraction and unlike fraction in ascending and descending order. Next, write the words in blank. Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Here unlike will be written. In like fraction, the denominator, the dash, the denominator, the greater the fractional number. In like fraction, the less the numerator and the greater the fractional number. In the pair of fraction 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. In the pair of fractions 3 by 8, 3 by 9, 3 by 8 is less than 3 by 9. Or you can check the LCM of these two numbers. This is unlike fraction, so you have to convert it into like fraction. So then you can write here the symbol which is appropriate. Write fraction in the box. Now you have to add these fractions. This is like fraction, so the denominator will be written as it is. 4 and 3 will be added, the result will be 7. Like fraction 9, so the denominator will be written as it is. 7 will be subtracted from 3, the result will be 4. Now you have to add all these fractions. 9 will be written as it is, because 9 is in like fraction. 9 is the same denominator. So 3 and 3 will be added. 6 and will be added into 6 and 2 are 8. The fraction will be 8 by 9. Next question is, solve the following. 1 by 8 are 48 tickets. You have to divide 8 with 48. 8 6 are 48. So 6 tickets will be written here. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6, and 0 will be written as it is. So 410 kilometer. Similarly, you have to write the all other ten. 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So the 12 kg will be written here. 9 4s are 36. Rupees 4 will be written here. All the other questions, other topics are discussed in the lecture. You can solve the other question of exercise 3A in this way, which we have discussed in the lecture. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.